In this video, I'm going to discuss about different types of sales. So broadly, there are three different categories of sales. So the first one is B2B, the second one is D2C, and the third one is channel. So I'll briefly explain you about the difference between the three. So let's discuss first on B2C or D2C, where a brand directly sells to the customers. For example, when you buy an MI phone or maybe an iPhone from the direct brands or their websites, then it's a basically B2C sale because they're directly dealing with the consumer. Let's take another example for now B2B. Now B2B is first of all business to business. So whenever one business deals with another business in terms of product or service, it is basically a B2B sale. So for example, any IT industry company or maybe a digital marketing company, they deal with the customers who have their end customers. So it's basically a B2B sale where we are dealing with the businesses directly, and then they are selling their product or service to the customers directly. Now there is a third category of sale where the brand is not directly selling up their product or service to the customer. There is a channel partner in between. So for example, all of us love Parle-G biscuits, right? But we cannot just go to Parle-G factory and we cannot request for a Parle-G biscuit there. So what they've done is they have a huge network of distributors, channel partners all over the country, and those channel partners actually distribute it to the retailers, and from there people like us actually go and purchase the product. Hope you like this video. So if you could gain 1% of value, even 1%, I would highly request you to hit the like button. Thank you so much.